You ever feel like you carry too many keys around with you? Especially on a Nissan, you don't have to anymore. Today we're going to be talking about the virtual key from Nissan. You can use your phone to operate your vehicle. This is a system that works with a module that gets installed in your vehicle and the Nissan virtual key app. You have your remote, you have your history, you have all your users. You can share this with up to 7 people. Let's say you have a new driver in the house and you want to make sure they only get to drive the vehicle between certain hours. You can set a curfew. You can see a history of everybody who's interacted with the vehicle. Check it out, the new virtual key from Nissan. Just another reason why everyone loves a new car.